Hi everyone, this is JoBeth with JJFinds&Designs, and I'm here with Decor Steals today to show you an amazing steal. It's this Farmhouse fresh mug rack. It's large, it's beautiful. You know everywhere else it costs a fortune, but I wanted to show you a couple different ways to style it. But before I do, let's look at how it's made. So it has 36 hooks. It goes 5, 4, 5, 4. So it gives you kind of option and flexibility for the cups to lay right. Okay, I'm gonna show you a couple different ways to use it, not just with mugs, but other ways around your space in your home. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the very first way I'm going to style this is the classic way with coffee mugs. I'm gonna use some eucalyptus faux and some Rae Dunn coffee mugs with the positive words on them. So I love my Rae Dunn because I love filling my home with good vibes and good words. So the garland this is a drop one, but you can use garland and chop it up and use it all throughout your house. You know I love doing that, so I'll show you a different couple ways how to do that, but this is gonna be the first way. So this is just one of those teardrop garlands, and I'm just streaming it across the top. You can see that. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit more greenery right there. Then I'm just going to simply add the cups throughout the rack. You can check that out. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this rack. It's beautiful. It's so big. Now I'm in my office right now and I'm leaving it here, so I'm gonna use it a couple different ways. But this way is perfect for in the kitchen area, in the sunroom. It would look gorgeous there. So check it out, y'all. This is the first style. Okay guys, so the second way I'm gonna style it is as a hat holder. So a super trendy way to use this is use it for your hats. It would be awesome for the kids' room, for your closet. It's perfect. I mean, the hooks are perfect for belts or for scarves or hats. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So put the hat there, just hook it on one of the hooks. I used this greenery. I actually snipped all of these off of a long piece of garland, and I'm so ready for spring that I went with this super pretty color. It's kind of lime, kind of light green, little speckles of dark in there. But I just cut it all up because each one, like single one individually, is so expensive. So I just take a long piece of garland, chop it all up, and use it. Okay, so I'm gonna stream this along the bottom. You can see this, how perfect these are for greenery. And this is more of a decorative hat holder way, but I encourage you to definitely use it in your closets or in your bedroom, okay? Then I just take a wreath. I'm gonna use like a smaller one. You can also use this size, looks great, and just pop it up there on the left corner, okay? So boom, look at that. Fantastic! I love this mug rack. Okay guys, for this last style, it is super cute. I'm using these glass jars, putting some faux greenery in them. I literally just got these at the dollar store. So the glass jars are from the dollar store. I got some twine as well from the dollar store, wrapped it around a couple times, and then just knotted the top. Kind of short because you don't want them to fall too long on the rack. Then, you know I love, once again, chopped up my garland. So I just took a long piece of garland, chopped it up, added it into the jar, and I added a couple just for dimension, okay, around the rack, and literally just hook it and hang it. I did add a little bit more greenery going across the bottom, and voila! Guys, this is beautiful. You know I love botanicals. You could also hang the jars, put water, and do live floral. You could also do potted plants. You could hang from there and just kind of make it your own succulent garden. You could do herbs and do like a hanging garden with all of your herbs in the kitchen. I mean, this rack is fantastic. Alright guys, I hope you love the way I styled this. 3 different ways. You literally can use it all over your home. Everywhere from your kitchen to your bedroom to your closet to your office like I have. I'm gonna have so much fun throughout the season decorating this guy. So make sure that you're following me for more DIY with decor steals. Take care guys!